Today's video is sponsored by Dragon Touch. We cannot wait to show you this amazing product.
This right here is the Classic 15 digital photo frame.
Picture frames like this are a thing of the past. Once you open the box, inside you will find one digital photo frame. It'll have a protective coating on it showing you all the instructions on how to get started. It also comes with a remote to make it even easier to control. A power cord, of course, USB cables, a 2-year warranty card that you gotta activate, a user manual, everything you need to mount this if you wanna put it on a wall. That is some good quality metal right there. Or a stand right here, which is what we're gonna be using to set this upright. Look at how nice that looks. Setup is super simple. You just go ahead and log into your Wi-Fi network. This is all touchscreen, super easy to use. We are now connected. Now we gotta download their app. So all you gotta do is download their app, which is right here. It's super simple. And what I love so much about this whole process is you sign up and log into your account on the app, and then you give your frame ID to your friends and family, and they can go ahead and add pictures so it pops up on here randomly, and it's a nice surprise when you get new pictures from your friends and family. What's awesome is that you can also share by email, so you can give them an email address to send the pictures to, and it'll get sent to your device. So now all I have to do is go to devices, and on this screen, I'm not gonna show you guys, but there's a frame ID number. We just go ahead and add it, and we're good to go. Now I'm adding photos, and now it's connecting and processing them. So this is not just a picture frame though, it also has a calendar, tells you your time and weather, video, you have your video stuff on there, your pictures, you can set alarms, there is so many other options. If you don't wanna use the app or email services, you can also connect an SD card or a USB card, and it also has internal storage in it, so you can also display pictures and videos like that. Look at how cool this is. This is truly next level, man. I'm having so much fun with this. I think I'm gonna make a huge video with all of our best and favorite moments and have it on here to just be playing constantly. I think that'd be so cool just to relive all the happy times. So when you're mad or something, you look at it and you just remember how good it feels to be in those moments. As you guys see, the display is absolutely beautiful on this. It has a 15.6-inch FHD display, which it's super clear and vivid. It has 16 gigs of memory built into it. I love that it has wireless control, making it super easy to add photos and videos to it. I love that this helps families stay connected and makes a wonderful gift, especially in today's world. Be sure to check out the links in the description. This makes a wonderful gift. Give the gift of memories today and keep those memories alive using this product. This is amazing.